we have given algebraic fraction and we have to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. Because we have fraction and we have addition and subtraction, we cannot reduce anything. First, we need to have multiplication in numerator and multiplication in denominator. So we have to factorize. We have to check these two expressions. We have here 3t squared and 21t. So first we check the numbers. We have 3 coefficients, 3 and 21. So the greatest common factor for 3 and 21 is 3. And next we have variable t squared and t. If we don't have power, is t to first power. We always choose the expression with the lowest power, so it will be t. And now what will be in parentheses? By what I have to multiply 3t to get 3t squared? By t. 3t times t is 3t squared. On other words, you have to divide 3t squared by 3t is t. Plus, and now we have first the coefficient 21. By what I have to multiply 3 to get 21? By 7, because 21 divided by 3 is 7. So we have 7. And we have t here. 3t times 7 is 21t. So it's exactly the same what we have at the beginning. And now in denominator we have now coefficients 6 and 12. So the greatest common factor is 6. And again, when we check variables, we have to choose the lowest power. So we have t squared and t invisible 1. So we have to choose t with the lowest power with 1. And now we have at the beginning 6t squared. And now we have 6t. By what I have to multiply 6t to get 6t squared? 6 I have already, yes? So now I have to multiply t by t to get t squared. And we have to copy the sign, we have negative. And now because we have here coefficient 12 and we now have only 6, so I have to multiply 6 by 2 to get 12. And we have t, 6t times 2 is 12t. Exactly the same what we have at the beginning. So now when we have multiplication, we can reduce. We have numbers 3 and 6. The greatest common factor for 3 and 6 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. And we have now times here t and t, we can reduce, will be 1. And in parentheses we have different expressions, 3 plus 7 and t minus 2. So we cannot do anything with parentheses. And now what we have, 1 times 1 is 1, and whatever we have in parentheses we have to copy. And we have 2 times 1 is 2. And in parentheses we have t minus 2. When we multiply this whole expression by 1, it will not change anything, so we have copy parentheses t plus 7 over denominator we have to copy 2 times t minus 2. If you need, you can do multiplication in denominator. So this is my solution.